happy birthday in advance kay Katrina Flores Palencia sa August 17. Yan. Kasunod ng birthday ni Sir A o ni Sir Aris, birthday mo. So, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday. Alam kong busy ka on your work and then being a mom, being a wife. So, napadaan lang para bumati ng happy birthday kasi baka makalimutan kong birthday mo sa August 17. That is a Saturday. So, yun lang. More birthdays to come. God bless. At saka sana continued growth, continued success in all aspects of life. Tsaka sana wag kang mananawang mag-strive to improve, mag-strive to get greener pasture. Hindi lahat naman yan strive for greener pasture dahil para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay, hindi lang para sa iyo. So happy birthday again and God bless.